Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Students, in our previous class we have learned that how British were dividing India because of their unsafety. They found that Indian people now united, and because of the help of Indian National Congress they are able to fight for freedom. So then they applied divide and rule policy and divide India into two parts, one for Hindus and another one for Muslims. But then also Bengal was remaining in this partition because in Bengal the feeling of nationalism was very strong. People of Bengal, they don't want to divide themselves. So British then also they applied divide and rule policy over there. But because of the strong opposition, they have to withdraw that decision. And this is called Bengal partition or partition of Bengal. So now give me answers of this question. First, in which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Correct, 1885. Where and when was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Bombay, 28 December 1885. State the difference between the moderates and the extremes. During the early years of the Congress, some leaders approached the British in a peaceful manner. And this was a group of leaders in the Congress who were unhappy with the British rule. They did not have the faith in British rule. One who deal with the British in peaceful manners are known as moderator, and another one who are unhappy with British rule and they don't want British rule are the extremists. The leader of extremists are Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, and the leader of moderate leader Dada Bhai Naorji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. One team want to be part of the administration and law-making process. Extremes wants to be a part of the administration and law-making process. And the moderator one wants self-rule, self-government of India. Student, do you know Mahatma Gandhi played an important role in the freedom struggle of India? But before joining freedom struggle of India, Mahatma Gandhi means Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi used to live in South Africa. And in South Africa, he was fighting against class division. In South Africa, there was a rule that everywhere they are following class division. Means with their people, the fair people called first class people and the greyish people are called second class people. So Gandhiji want to remove that injustice in South Africa also. He tried very hardly and removed that injustice of class division, and later he came to India. After Gandhiji returned to India, he launched the Satyagraha movement against the British. What is Satyagraha? What is the meaning of Satyagraha? The word Satyagraha is from the Sanskrit words. Satya means truth and Agraha means to approach. The Sanskrit name shows it was a force born from truth and love. Means very peacefully, with very love, the people were trying to remove British rule from India. So this is called Satyagraha. Gandhiji was the first person who launched this against the British rule in India. Now we will read about Swadeshi movement and Mahatma Gandhi. Then we will discuss about it. Swadeshi movement. The partition of Bengal gave rise to mass protest across the country. People boycotted British goods and pledged to wear homespun clothes. The Congress launched the Swadeshi movement against in partition. All British goods were boycotted and burned in huge bonfire. Yes, students, this is truth about our freedom struggle. At that time, people were very angry because of the partition of Bengal and partition of whole India. And because of that partition, people boycott means rejected British clothes and other British goods. They were wearing their homemade clothes, which is made up of Indian silk or Indian clothes. There is no use of any other country's clothes. And the Congress launched the Swadeshi movement. In that Swadeshi movement, they took the other country's cloth, foreign cloth we can say, from every house, and they burned into huge bonfire. That is why this is called Swadeshi movement. At that time, all family members and all peoples, many of them, means 90% of the Indian families was supporting this Swadeshi movement. They burnt their clothes, even the new clothes or daily wearing clothes, which at that time daily wearing clothes are very important because people, they were not having that much money to throw their clothes like this. So at that time also, to support Swadeshi movement, people burned their new clothes also in that huge bonfire. Now Mahatma Gandhi. We all know about Mahatma Gandhi. In 1915, Mahatma Gandhi came to India from South Africa. When he came to know the height of Indians began the freedom struggle. The freedom movement that he started were based on non-violence and Satyagraha. People from all parts of India supported him and joined the movement. In 1915, when Gandhiji came back to India, he saw that British rule were doing injustice against their people and the Indian peoples. They have divided India into two parts, one for Muslims and one for Hindus. So, to show their eagerness towards British rule, he started a freedom struggle known as Satyagraha. That was the non-violence freedom struggle. They were just sitting on a place and opposing British rule. And people from all parts of India were supporting this Satyagraha. Because in this Satyagraha, no one is harmed, no one is getting hurt, no one is facing any problem. They are quietly sitting and opposing British rule. So student, in today's class we have learned that how Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter, and before freedom fighter, when he was living in South Africa, he fought against class division rule, because they were facing many problems in South Africa. And after coming to India, when he came to India, he saw that Britishers were dividing India for their own benefits. So he started a freedom struggle in a peaceful manner with non-violence. The name of the struggle was Satyagraha. We learn the meaning of Satyagraha. Satya means truth and Agraha means force but with love. So the force born with truth and love is called Satyagraha. And people from all over the India were supporting Mahatma Gandhi. We also learned about Swadeshi movement, how people boycott British clothes and their all the clothes which is made up in British factory. They boycott and burn all the clothes in a huge bonfire. So student, you have to complete checkpoint 2 in your textbook.